Have you ever posted a status on WhatsApp and then suddenly wanted to delete it? In this video, I will show you how to do that. Watch until the end and I will also share a simple tip. So let's get started. So let's delete your status, guys. Firstly, open WhatsApp app on your device, and afterwards to view your status, go to the Updates tab and click on your status right there to open it, and tap on the three-dot menu right there, and the upcoming menu, click on the delete option and again delete to confirm the deleting process. Now your status has been successfully deleted, and as a bonus tip in the future to avoid accidentally posting a status, consider previewing it before publishing. This will help ensure that the content you have chosen is exactly what you want to share. So if this video was helpful for you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. This gives me the motivation to create even more helpful videos. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.